make me the goat. You can't come with the throat. Puff, puff, pass. When you do not want to smoke. Bitches be sleeping on me, but be claiming they won't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I bought an what did I buy? I bought a ponytail from Amazon, a yaki ponytail from Amazon, and I think it's like 22 inches. But basically in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I install it. I think it's going to be a quick video because it's literally just a ponytail, but I'm actually loving how it came in a package and like the quality, and it just looks nice. So on this camera I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to install it. So basically my hair's in cornrows and I'm going to take it out and then yeah, install it for you guys. Oh yeah, plus I have a different background. I'm sitting there in my window because I just thought today, why not change the scenery. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. Hi guys, I am back. So I've taken the corners out of my head. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's in a braid out kind of vibes, but yeah, I left like a line so I can do my baby hairs. But basically I'm going to be slicking my hair up, and these are the products I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this Got To Be ultra glued styling gel. I might use gummy wax, I'm not sure, but whatever I do use, I'll say in the end. Then I'm going to use this brush to like brush up my hair. I'm also going to use this brush. What other products I'm using? I might use this for my baby hairs. Yeah, I'm gonna use it for my baby hairs. And then I think that's it. But anything I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you in the next clips. And yeah, hi guys, I'm making a TikTok to this video, yeah, well, to this hair thing, and I keep forgetting that I'm also recording a YouTube video. So basically what I did is that I put Got To Be on my edges and all of that to make it slick. Then I slicked it with a, where is the brown brush, this, and then put a scarf, got a blow dryer to make it hard. I'm gonna take it off. I left out this bit, it looks funny because that's what I'm gonna be using for my edges to slick it down. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Oh my god, I did a good job. This is what my ponytail looking like. Also didn't mention that I put this on the front and then I put a blow dryer because this really works well with heat. You lot, I'm tempted to straighten my edges. I might straighten it because I'm trying to go with the Jada look. If you know, you know. So I'm going to do my edges. Actually, first of all, I'm going to plait this. This is my plait that I have. I don't even know how I'm doing this, guys, to be actually honest with you. I think I'm going to be freestyling. Really scared to straighten my edges. It's actually not by force, but obviously I want this style to bang, so I'm gonna straighten my edges. I kind of pull it on like, not the lowest, but like one of the lowest. I don't want it too hot. Oh. Yeah, this is how it looks like, or what it looks like. I think that's it. I'm not trying to go over it too much because yeah, I'm not trying to damage my edges. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the scarf back on so that while I am doing my edges, my hair is setting, or the top bit, then I can put on the ponytail.
Resin got that sauce in it.
I think that's it. So I'm gonna do my edges. I think I'm gonna do another video. I might do an edge tutorial, but this is gonna be on TikTok. So if you guys should follow me on TikTok because I be doing bad videos on TikTok. Hi guys, I said I was gonna show my edges, how I did them, but I basically did a TikTok video, so I'll either insert it here or show you a clip it here. But if you want me to do like a more detailed baby hair tutorial, then I'll do one on YouTube. But basically I've just done my makeup, I've already done my baby hairs and I've slicked it. So I'm gonna take this thing off and now I'm gonna put this on my head. So as I was saying, I got this ponytail from Amazon and it was £17. It's a yaki texture. Yeah, that's actually all about the hair. So I'm planning, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this, guys, to put my long piece of hair inside this pocket. This pocket isn't that deep, but anyways, you move. And there's like a clip. Is there a clip? Yeah, there's a thingy here. So where does that go? Does that go at the back or at the front? No, it goes at the back. I'm gonna get some hair and wrap it around. So I'm gonna part some hair, maybe like this much. I'm just basically gonna wrap it around. I think people hold it down with gel. You can hold it down with gel. So basically you can get gel, or sorry, not gel, you can get spray every time you wrap it around so it will be firm. But because I'm not planning to sleep in this, I don't think I am. I don't know, it depends. Yeah, or you can use a bobby pin. Yeah, that's actually it. Wow, this is a lot, guys. Like, it's actually, I didn't even realize it was that much. But I wonder if you could straighten it. But yeah, I think it's 20 inches. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's 20 inches or 22 inches. But that's how it looks. And yeah, I think that's actually it. It was really easy. There's two combs, one at the front, one at the back. I literally just put my hair in it. And that's it. Yeah, so this is the texture. Yaki texture. I think that's actually it for this video. Very quick video. Ponytails are so easy to install. Literally just clip it upon your head top and then that's it. This hair is all white, I'm not gonna lie, like I feel like it's overwhelming. That's actually it for today's videos, guys. If you guys have any more questions you want to ask about this hair, I'll leave that Amazon link in the description box down below, and maybe I'll do a review on this ponytail. I don't know, but yeah, that's actually it.
Resin got that sauce in it.